first moment I saw you, I found myself staring, not knowing what to do. I looked down, then turned away to smile, for I knew I had finally found you, the one I'd always searched for. As I turned around, looking for reassurance, you greeted me with a smile. And as I took your hand, looked into your eyes, I knew I was no longer alone. I see everything when I look at you, everything I wanted, everything I ever needed. It's all that you do, all that you are. You're my sunrise, my sunset. You're the one who inspires me, who gives me reason to smile and to laugh, a reason to hope and to dream, a reason to live, a reason to die. For it's your happiness that gives me happiness. And when you're sad or alone, all I wish to do is to hold you, to comfort and to protect you from the world around, hoping that I may never let go. For more information about this beautiful gift and to see this and other poems in their entirety, visit myashleys.com. Each print is carefully made from genuine Tibetan parchment paper and can be personalized. Remind them each day how much you love them with this special gift from myashleys.com.